In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Notion. Columns are a great way to organize information side by side. Think tasks next to notes, or images next to instructions, so your page becomes easier to scan and use. Start by opening the Notion page, where you want to build your layout. Make sure you're on the correct page and in edit mode so you can move things around. Next, add at least 2 blocks of content onto the page. A block can be anything: a text paragraph, a heading, a to-do list, an image, or even an embedded file. If you're starting fresh, just type to create a text block, or use the / command to insert other block types. Having at least 2 blocks gives Notion something to align side by side. Hover your mouse to the left of one of the blocks until you see the 6-dot handle appear. That handle is your grip. Click and hold it, then drag the block to the right side of the other block you want to align with. Move slowly and watch the screen. You're looking for a thin, vertical, blue guideline. That line is Notion's way of telling you that a column position is available. If you don't see the blue line, you're either too far from the edge of the other block or not in the right spot yet. Adjust your cursor until the line appears. When the blue line is visible, release the block. Instantly, Notion will create a new column layout with the 2 blocks sitting side by side. From here, you can fine-tune the spacing. Hover between the columns until you see the adjustable space, then click and drag to widen or narrow each column. This helps emphasize what's most important. Make a key column wider and a supporting column narrower. Now continue building out your content. Add more blocks underneath each column as needed. Each column behaves like its own vertical stack, so press Enter to add new items or drag existing blocks into a column to reorganize. If you want more than 2 columns, simply repeat the same drag and drop action with additional blocks. Drag a block beside an existing column, watch for the blue line to the right or left of it, and release. You can create 3 or more columns this way, keeping in mind readability. Finally, take a moment to review the layout. Check that related items are grouped logically, headings are clear, and column widths support quick scanning. If something feels crowded, adjust the spacing or reduce the number of columns. With these steps, your Notion page will look cleaner, more balanced, and far more effective.